Pretty. Oops. See if the camera will get it. That's very nice. So I couldn't decide on a Secret Santa gift, so I just made one. So I made 3 hexagon, sorry, and then I made 3 circled ones. You see you zoom out here a little bit, but so this is my Secret Santa Christmas gift. I told my wife that I was making a Secret Santa Christmas gift, but if nobody liked them, I didn't give a shit, because I'd take it back and then I'd just give them whatever, you know, they got. They have some kind of dice Santa gift or something like that, and it's possible to take back what you buy. So if I don't like anything on the board, I'm gonna bring these things back home, because I think they turned out absolutely wonderful. Even the white even looks really cool. This one doesn't really sit flat, but yep, that one doesn't sit flat either. Or maybe it was because I had something on there. Yep. Oh well, this is the first time I've ever done this. I think the design pattern actually came out really cool. Apparently this one has some bubbles on it, and then there's that. So I made 2 other ones, and unfortunately for this one, you can tell right here when I did the epoxy, this part did not dry all the way, but I used glitter. Bad thing to do. And then this one, and it came out really dark. I like the back pattern, but I don't know if it shows up on camera where it kind of like goes up. It's not entirely square, and I don't like this, but I like the back. I think the back looks really cool. But there you have it. That's a really cheap idea to do a Secret Santa gift. Link is in the description on where I got the coasters, and also